Hello everybody! I haven't seen you guys in a while. When I mean a while, I mean like several months. I've been on hiatus. I don't know why. But I've started a second channel. You should probably go subscribe to that. So I'm back with my first build after this break. And this will be in a future video, don't worry about that. Today we are going to be building this trailer. It looks quite nice, don't you think? And you can basically put anything on it. Oh. Let me just reattach that. Obviously I've used this truck from a past video, for example, to demonstrate how this works. All you need to do, you can literally use any vehicle for this, as long as you attach something that looks a little bit like this to the end of your vehicles, or you can just attach this, because then this will actually be useful. If you don't, then this is basically pointless. So I'm gonna take this apart and I will show you how to build this. Alright, I have basically taken everything apart. So what we have here is two of these 2x8s. What you need? You only need two of these bad boys. You'll need two axles. You'll need 4 wheels, obviously. Otherwise this isn't gonna work. You're gonna need one of these 4x10 plates. Doesn't matter what color, I just chose gray. You'll need one of these 2x6 pieces. You'll need 2 of these 4x4s. And one of these 2x8 plates. As well as a connector and one of these Technic pins to normal connector Lego pieces. Alright, so I've already showed you guys what we need, so I'm gonna start building. So obviously you need to start out with this and these two. We need to add a base to it, which means we need to add these 2 bits, which will fit like so. And that means these guys will also go here. So you'll need your 4x4s and your 4x10 plates. And you need to place it like this. Next on the list, you need to arrange these to keep them connected like this. And I might as well attach one of these plates. One of these, oh, I forgot to mention, this gray 3-pin hole. You add this here. You attach this pin connector here, like so. And obviously, you just add the axles on the back. Put a gap in between so that you can at least fit the wheels. This goes up front, like that. Yeah, that might happen, but it'll take a few tries. So just make sure to hold it down in place and stick these wheels onto here, like this. there you have it. Here is your basic trailer. So to carry anything that you basically need. So let's bring back our good old boy, the truck. Let's connect this here and attach it to the truck. And we have a working trailer. Now we just put this burger on as an example. And it works. I'm sure it might be a little bit of a problem, but at least it works. Yeah, this burger is a bit loose, but we are going to cover that in another video, so stay tuned for that. We are going to build this burger eventually in another video, so let's put that to the side. So that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, share with all your friends. I will see you guys next time. Bye!